You guys, it is December 29th, and it is, what time is it? It's 10:06. We close at 11.
Closing time. You don't have to go home, but you can't stay here. I know who I want.
So in less than an hour, and of course I'm gonna be vlogging a little bit. We're excited, we're very excited. I think I'm 99% excited, and I'll be 100% when the keys are ours and we're driving away. Let me see your closing outfit. OOTD for closing. Oh yeah, it looks crazy around here. Look at this room. It's crazy. There's my door, my thing to go outside. Okay, Caleb made that for me. What's your closing OOTD? Oh yeah. Stripes, jacket, shoes, and pants. That's my new song, and this is my dance. Look how much you love that. That was a good rhyme. And the kids are just taking cardboard boxes into the living room. What are you guys doing?
You're going to pack up, and you're going to pack to the house.
What? Okay. Bye. Have a good day. We're here.
It is Thomas and Brown.
Oh, we're here. I thought it was the other building. We're gonna sign our life away in there. Mr. Krabs, I have an idea. Guys, I'm literally just as nervous and freaking out as, okay, we're all gonna die. I'm freaking out identical to when I have children on the drive there. It's kind of like having a baby. They have refreshments.
Changes once a year. They analyze that escrow account. Yeah. Because they can't hold too much money, too little money. Okay.
Guess what, guys? Do we look different because we're homeowners? Do we look like homeowners now? We're homeowners. We got the keys. We're going to the Chick-fil-A drive-thru.
Because
got lots of keys, actually. We had lots of copies. So now we gotta go pick up our kids and head to the house. So yeah. Daddy is behind us, but we're going to the house for the first time. You guys finally woke up from the nap, and now we're going to it for the first time since we own it. Are you guys excited? Are you guys excited about your new home that God gave you?
Yeah.
What about your new bedroom?
Why you? Look at you, Mommy. Look at you.
We're here. We're not gonna go inside till Daddy gets here, though.
I see.
Yay, we're here. All right. Yeah, we're gonna go inside. Gotta wait for August. It's a pretty sturdy door. Yay! You guys are gonna come in and see what?
Hey!
It's just a general. Whoa, that is a big window.
It's for us.
Yeah, this is gonna be you guys' room. And this is gonna be the playroom. This is Mommy and Daddy's room. Woohoo!
No, this is our room.
What? This is Mommy and Daddy's room.
No, that's us.
What? You can't claim that. Yep. Can't. Here's befores, I guess, before we... Yay. I know. Is that nerve-wracking? You bought this, Caleb. Yeah, now I'm like all the things that need to be fixed. I'm like, you guys. They're so cute. Echo. Oh, it's not that bad. We're gonna get a new refrigerator, but I thought this was worse condition than it is. They took the pie? No! There was a staged pie. Hey, Scarlett, August, look. Come here, look.
What?
This is your backyard to play in. Don't be too loud.
Wow. Shh. That's so big.
This is your backyard. Oh yeah, you can see where they dug right there.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I don't know what that looks.
Whoa!
Oh gosh, that is creepy. That is the creep. Why does it have red eyes? Scarlett, do you see something on our house?
Ow!
August.
Ow!
August, look right here. Right there.
Ow!
You look good up there, honey. Got some work to do.
There's the window Mommy could open and say, Dinner's ready!
Yeah. Kids, come in, dinner's ready. Well, yeah, this will be really private during the, most of the year. We're in our house. Look at that YouTube lighting, guys. I'm gonna be filming in here. We have a garage too, but... So we gotta replace this railing, paint, replace.
Can we take our shoes off?
Yeah, this is your house now, so yeah. Gotta paint. Okay, right there. Bathroom. That's your bathroom. The little bathroom right here. Gotta replace all of this. I already have stuff to replace it. I can't wait to do before and after pictures. Alright, no. Let's stay down here for right now because Mommy and Daddy have to fix something up there and I don't want August to get hurt. This is in the bathroom. It's a little... It's a bell. It says 2017 on it.
Oh.
It's like I think that's from the Hearth and Hand line. Garage. It's too adult for me. I'm freaking out.
Feelings are such real things, and they change and change and change.
Sad and grumpy, down to the dumpy.
Hey, I caught you picking your nose. Hey, get out of there.
Snappy.
Whoa, it's moving day. We got a giant truck, way too big, not even really used for moving. I am currently doing little errands while the guys are moving all of the stuff, so I've just been keeping the kids out of the way. And we've gone to Kroger, we packed stuff in our car, and I've got a Chick-fil-A nugget tray for everybody, and then I bought some stuff at Kroger to go with it. We're sitting in Starbucks line, it's taken a long time, and then because Mommy needs coffee, a lot of it, and breakfast, so and it's cold outside. But we normally move during the summer, so this is nice. Usually we're having to sweat. And we bought a fridge, so I think they're picking that up right now. Alright guys, it's I don't even know what time it is. It's 4:57, and we are just unpacking.
We're moved in!
So yeah, we're just unpacking. We're really tired. The kids are upstairs playing. I'm unpacking while also imagining what the before and after is gonna look like. All the projects I have in my head. I'm just really tired. Can you guys see it?
Let's see what Alexa thinks about all that.
Alexa can't work because we don't have internet.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes.
What? Cassie?
Is the flute open?
Cassie! Daddy!
Right beside our mountain of cardboard boxes. Now, August, you gotta learn. Look at Mommy. August, look at Mommy. No touch. I'm sure you wouldn't touch it very long. Okay, today is January 1st. The kids are asleep. But as you can see, I'm not even close to finishing unpacking, but I've already been painting the fireplaces. So we were gonna re-concrete them, which we still might, but for now, I kinda like this even better. I don't know. Here it is. So I hope that it looks as good in real life, or on camera as it is in real life. Right now, all these little tiny edges and stuff I'm about to go over with little tiny paintbrushes, but it looks so much better. I love that. It looks like slate. And I have it in a satin finish, so the light catches it really pretty. There's places that need to touch up, but some places it's just how the light catches it. I have some tiny paintbrushes, so I gotta go on the edge. All of this is gonna be repainted white whenever I get my ladder. But for now, and I'm gonna put a little basket of wood there. I think that looks so good. I do have high heat spray paint for the gold trim and different handles, but I think it turned out even better than I expected. So the color is called, what is it called? Evening Hush, I think. It's not quite black. It's like a very slaty charcoal color that's so pretty. And I feel like it looks better in real life than on camera, but just take my word for it. It looks good. Yeah. Guys, we can see fireworks out of our window.
It's okay, watch.
Wow. How perfect. Alright, I'm gonna end this whole moving vlog. It is like Martin Luther King Day, actually. I have started taking wallpaper off, and there we have a situation. A very, very, very large, very, very, very dead tree leaning towards our house in the front yard, which we knew of. So we've gotten our second quote. Not cheap, but it is a dangerous job. So Caleb is talking to the second guy right now. We already have scheduled another guy to come do it, but maybe this guy was cheaper or can do it faster because they taped off the tree. There they are. What did they say? I was just vlogging.
He said 1,000.
No, he didn't.
4,000, yeah.
Okay, so the last person said 1,700. We got him down to 1,600.
He said probably a week and a half. That's what we have to decide. He said that his boss may even take another 100 off because we're like first-time home buyers and everything.
A week and a half. Ooh, I hope he doesn't see me filming him. He won't come back. I'll show you guys this really dead tree. Actually, Caleb, I'll let you go film the dead tree because it's cold outside.
It's cold.
It's really dead. It's bad. It's really bad. So it's not cheap.
If you just, I mean, you can see how there's like stuff growing on it. It's just, it's nasty on the other side. It's just all dead. And of course it's like leaning towards the house.
I'm gonna get that done as soon as possible so I can sleep at night. This is the end of our very first we moved in kind of vlog. Like, I know it's been quite a while since I filmed last. I'm gonna do a home tour, unfinished like before kind of thing, but I keep doing projects, so I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog, and then the next vlog will be like a tour of the house without all the projects done, even though I have started some. So, but anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and be on the lookout for more home vlogs. Bye.